Good morning, good morning. I come from bush with my sugarcane on my shoulder. This morning we got bush with Gaio and had a chance to clean out some areas for the cane, to plant more cane. And here I have 2 pieces of cane on my shoulder I carry up from bush. So here comes Gaio. I can see him. And teach him how to tap the cane. See? Is he tight? Alright, I'm gonna try to maneuver the cane and the camera. It takes some skills, but I get it eventually. Oh look, guy up there. I wait for me. No, a phone call and get. And I take it. It wasn't for me. Oh, this is who needs gym when you have bush? Who needs gym? Who needs gym when you have bush? I think women did it. Wait for me, but no. You stop and take call.
I just stop right at Temple Gate. Me tap at Temple Gate. Yeah man, we just stop at our stars so that we take that car because it a ring away.
Alright, I'm gonna take to the hill. I mean, I don't know if I can manage the phone, my cutlass, and the piece and the 2 cane on the hill. Alright then, little more. Little more.